Probably the same as my Ford Taurus was.
You had a Ford Taurus?
You push in, and
that's about the easiest it could be right there.
So what step was that?
I think that was step 1.
Okay. How heavy do you think that is? 2 pounds?
No, more than that.
Oh, really?
10, 15.
Oh, wow. Where's the fuel pump?
Should be under this seal.
Why is there 2 of them?
Well, there's not a fuel pump over there, but that's probably just access to the other side of the tank. Because the tank goes over the whole drive shaft.
Okay.
So there that is. Take the connector off, hopefully. There we go.
Oh, wow. That's step 7, everyone. Are you saying you don't want that to drop into the fuel tank?
I do not want that to drop into the fuel tank. Ow.
Oh, I got that. It's a wide angle.
I'm going to try to take this fuel line off, but there's probably a lot of fuel that's going to come out of it. Because directions say to bleed the pressure off using a bleeder, but I don't have that, so.
It's not a phone.
Oh, look, like no fuel came out.
Oh, wow.
Tiny little bit. Alright, we're good. Now, I need to loosen this ring.
This is where you like twist it, right?
Yep.
Do you have the tool?
Nope.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be impossible.
What? Even the guy in the video just said use a piece of brass rod.
Was he a redneck by any chance?
Well, yeah, it's a Mustang. So.
Okay.
You use the screwdriver that you broke off the end. See? Blunt.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Oh.
There we go.
It's spinning.
Yeah. There we go.
Fire. Fire.
I think we're good. Shut up!
It was a test.
There you go. There's the lock.
Alright, there's the...
Oh yeah, and the whole thing's spring-loaded. That's why it popped up.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh yeah, and I need to... That's a full tank. I need to reach in and unhook something.
That's the step. Reach in, unhook something.
There's a crossover.
Oh, that is a ripe smell.
Always work in an enclosed environment.
Ow! Jeez.
So that line right there is what I have to take off. You see, you don't have much room to work with it. Oh, we got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
That was the angle.
I guess. Why not?
Good thing the bucket's there. Oh my gosh.
Just keep shimmying.
Oh, I see the gas in there. Wow, that really is full.
Yeah, it is. I got the float, screwing up the float. Oh! Still screwing that up. Okay. In the bucket.
Wow, that was actually pretty easy.
Kinda.
Get the towel out. Oh my god, I thought it was falling in.
What? The whole towel? Oh no.
Put this flashlight in there. Wow.
There's the line I had to take off. That crosses over to the other side of the fuel tank.
Alright, well.
So there's that.
Getting high off of gas.
Yep.
So I'm gonna get
Same.
out of here. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Progress.
It comes off after I take the filter off. If I can figure out how it comes off. Well, it's like you need to take this screw out. Okay. Oh, wow.
What are you doing?
Trying to yank it. Oh, there we go. Got
Holy moly.
That was not easy. Yeah, I do think I will have to take the screw out, so I might as well do that.
You didn't do that yet?
No.
Oh my gosh, I thought you took it out and I was wrong. But...
It's like a mystery size. Definitely the right tool for the job here.
Yep. Rusty pliers for a fuel pump.
Oh, please. How to take screws out 101.
There we go. Bam.
Wow.
Just breathtaking shots here.
Hey, look. There's that. There's that.
Oh wow, it comes right out, huh? That's crazy.
No.
Just
Still
pull
gotta
through.
take this out.
You pulled through.
Pull what through? Pull the entire filter
Yep, through the hole. Let's go. We're gonna do it right now.
I'm just gonna break it. I have room.
I'm not getting the shots here. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah,
Are you
that's what I
freaking
thought.
serious?
I thought you just pulled it off. All right.
This is the hardest part
Quick,
of the build.
before you forget how it goes together.
Well, I have
But
it
I
on
need
video.
to.
I have to get it where you can get the screw in.
Yeah, and I think because I put that extra piece on top, I don't think it's going in the whole way. No, that's. Don't want this piece. Well, that's a tight fit. So I cut off the connector that went to the old fuel pump because the new fuel pump has a new connector and just leads. So I'm gonna solder these guys together. Just solder black to black. I'm assuming that's gonna be right. Red to the other one. So it should be able to power up the fuel pump.
Sure, we can't just use electrical tape and twist them together?
Well, you could. That is an option. Always a good option as well. But I'm gonna go with the a little bit of a cleaner install here with solder. Hardest thing with soldering is holding the thing, holding the wires. Yep, just doing a nice coating on there. Now we're gonna weld them together here.
There we go.
With our TIG welder. Gonna fit this. There we go. We're good. And, oh yeah, fits.
Oh wow.
Fits and shows.
I was wrong. Pro job right there.
Yeah, it didn't quite shrink down enough on the end, so let me just do this. See if this does it. Well, we could probably test it before you close it. Close up everything.
Okay.
I'm trying to see how it works.
See if it goes ring or.
Okay. Yeah, that on. I kind of feel like this clamp isn't big enough though. Just barely. It's not that easy.
There you go. Oh! Lost all the springs.
I think we need to look at the video. Because this is a pain in the butt.
Ship it out. Ready to rock and roll.
How the heck?
So we had to review the footage.
We had to look back at our footage here to figure out how this all went back together.
Holy moly.
But I think I got it. Now I'm gonna try to.
It's just everything's more of a snug fit now because that's a little longer of a fuel pump. Do you think
so.
that's it?
Maybe.
And
it's just complex. Such pain. I don't have anything this size. Why did they use this? Alright, bro. Use your...
Ow!
Yeah,
Ow!
exactly.
Ah!
It's like a 4.5. These feet seem kind of pointless, but especially when the filter's in the way. But
And one of them fell in already.
well, one of them's just sitting in there.
Who's diving in to get that?
That one would be stuck there anyway. I think we're ready to go back in.
Wow, that is some complex.
It really wasn't that bad. It didn't take that long. Put that guy back on. All right, let's get back in there.
Whoa, you're so far away. You leaving that thing in there?
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter. Oh wow, if I knew this had this much play, I would have freaking pulled it out. I couldn't pull it out. Maybe I could. That's a tight fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Especially with all those liters per hour. It's a little bit more, so
Okay, I got it.
it's hard to contain them.
Yeah, like
It's good because there's so much room to work with.
more light.
Oh, why did you say so?
I need it faced the other way though.
Complain and complain. That's all you do.
There we go.
How's that?
That's
Not for
pretty...
some freaking light. Oh, that's great footage. Oh, this is amazing footage right here. Try and put the back in first and then the front.
I wonder if it's because it could be that it's on that.
No way.
Like it's like what? Like it might be.
No.
That's why it's not going down far enough. But it's spring loaded.
Wouldn't that
so
suck?
No, I don't think that's it.
Might be. That's why I said try sliding it. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah.
It did, right?
Shh, shh. Yep. There we go. It was just sucking the.
Yeah.
This was. Now it's good.
Yep.
Cool.
Worked. Success.
High five.
Yay.
Ew.
That was so bad. Sweet fitment.